Hello kids, today I am building odd number blocks. Odd number blocks. So if you new here, so subscribe our channel. Do you know odd number? Yes. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 is our odd number. Let's start the video and let's make odd number. Our first odd number is 1. 1. This is number blocks 1. Let's make our second odd number is 3. Yes, I am building 3. This is number blocks 3. This is number blocks 3. Okay, let's create our next odd number. Our next odd number is 5. Yes, our odd number is 5. This is number blocks 5. This is number blocks 5. Let's make our next odd number is 7. Our next odd number is 7. Yes. If you new here, subscribe our channel. You get more videos like these. Yes. I am building number blocks 7. This is our odd number and this is called number block 7. Number block 7. Let's make our next number blocks. Number blocks 9. Yes. Now I am built number blocks 9. Number blocks 9 is square because there are 3 blocks all side. Yes, I'm showing you. And yes, this is number blocks 9 and our last odd number. 3 number blocks is this side is also 3 and this side is also 3. So number blocks 9 is square. Number block 9 is square. 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. These all are number blocks and this called odd number. This is our odd number. Do you know what number is this? This is odd number 1, this is odd number 3 and this is odd number 5 and this is odd number 7 and lastly this is our last odd number is 9. Let's close the video.